And here how to enable picture-in-picture mode on iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings app and tap on General. Here scroll down and tap on picture-in-picture. If you don't see this picture-in-picture option in your iPhone settings app, then update your iPhone. Tap on that and here you will find start PIP automatically. So all you have to need to enable picture-in-picture, just enable this option. And when you swipe up to go home or use other apps, videos and FaceTime calls will automatically continue in picture mode. That's how you can enable picture-in-picture mode in iPhone. And now, if you want to enable picture-in-picture mode in any in any iPhone, and you want to enable picture-in-picture mode for YouTube video, you can watch this video from my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.